Our perceptions further creates our actions. How we see and view the things around us is how we actually do the things also while we are in action. My name is Amit More. I'm a human behavior specialist and ancient leadership sutra expert. So the perceptions are of two types, optimistic and pessimistic. I would like to tell you a story. It's an old story of two salesmen of shoes. They went to a very developing city and for selling shoes actually. So the first salesman saw that nobody is wearing the shoes in the whole city. So he called back to the office that I'm coming back home tomorrow. Just don't send the material of the shoes. The second salesman saw the same scene that nobody is wearing the shoes. Immediately called up and told that please send as many shoes as possible, whatever you have in the stock, and start producing little more. And I may demand that as well. Here nobody is wearing shoes. Everybody wants shoes. You see, same place, two different people, same situation. But see the perceptions of both of them. One is very optimistic about the same situation, and one is completely pessimistic about the same situation. So, there is a wonderful verse in Hita Upadesh. Let us recite that verse. शोकस्तानि सहस्राणि भयस्तानि शतानि च दिवसे दिवसे मूढम् अविशन्ति न पंडितम्. So this verse tells that a pessimistic, ignorant fool is always disturbed by thousands of things to cry for. Shokastani sahasrani and bhayastani shatani cha means and hundreds of things to fear or be afraid of. And that's the reason what happens, he is never been satisfied. Divase divase means every day he is crying, every day he is fearful. On the contrary, the wise men are not affected by these situations. There is a very famous quote by President Truman. He says that a pessimistic is one who makes difficulties of his opportunities, and optimistic is the one who makes opportunities out of the difficulties. So we can see how we perceive the situation. When we see the negative in any situation or perceive the situation in a negative way, naturally our actions are negatively oriented as well. Similarly, when we see the situations in the positive way, naturally our actions are oriented towards more positive and healthier way. In fact, this optimistic attitude is so much needed for the current leaders. Optimistic perceptions has a lot of benefits, and we are going to study some of the benefits today. There are 5 benefits that I can think of. Let's study them. So the first benefit of being optimistic is this promotes good health. See, one who is optimistic, they're very healthy. In fact, their blood levels, the blood pressure levels, the sugar levels, everything is in control. They are very happier and healthier, and they're very blissful. And they can actually spread that bliss around them also. We can see that happiness around them. On the contrary, those who are pessimistic are often in great anxiety and stress, and have a lot of problems with their blood pressure levels or whatever, sugar levels. And in fact, you can see also one more thing, to the degree we are negative, we invite a lot of diseases actually. That's why being optimistic is very, very important. The second benefit of being optimistic is that it aids greater achievement and higher performance. We can see the teams or even the leaders who are very optimistic. They are very self-confident, they are very focused. In fact, they are very resilient even in adverse situations. They are productive, they are very creative. So all these qualities are very much required for increasing the performances of the team and the organization, achieving the organization goals. At the same time, the team who are very optimistic increases the synergical energy of the team, and they actually give out very high performances and results. On the contrary, the pessimistic teams are actually often not creative and not adventurous in their endeavors towards the goals that they keep. So the third benefit of becoming very optimistic is it spreads good vibes and it makes our life less painful. You see, the people who are very optimistic are like contagious people, you see. Which is by being around them, we get inspired because of that positivity vibrations which they're emitting out of them. At the same time, the pessimistic people are often very, bring in an unhealthy atmosphere around them. The cribbing mentality or jealousy, envy, whatever it is. Another merit of the people who are very optimistic are they are having a high pain tolerance. In any provoking situations, they exhibit a very good tolerance and perseverance, because of which they are highly successful leaders. On the contrary, the pessimistic people actually are very negative at times in the situations which are provoking. They often respond very reactively and become disproportionately angry or whatever. So these all, the negative vibes comes out, because of which they are not so much successful. So the fourth benefit of being optimistic, that it makes you youthful. Actually, the studies and researches have shown that one who is optimistic, it actually facilitates good health and a good mental stability, because of which it facilitates longevity, and the aging process of the body is actually what I can say, a little bit shortened. One remains really very youthful in his appearance as well, and in his he is very active in his work. So this is the benefit of the optimism. And the fifth benefit of becoming optimistic is that it improves your relationships. Because every relationship there are different challenges. And when we have to face those challenges, one has to be optimistic. One cannot have a relationship which is very smooth like a cakewalk or a bed of roses. No. There will be some thorns on the way, which will prick at times. But becoming optimistic in those ways and learning lessons through those thorns is what an optimistic person will learn. So these are one of the many benefits which we can see becoming optimistic. There are many more, and you will realize these when you yourself will start practicing this optimism in your own life. So I can give you a challenge that you can start practicing and take up a challenge for your life. That from today onwards I will be optimistic in any situation may come, and try this out as an exercise for the next 7 days. Take an action plan and every day write that today in what all aspects I was optimistic, and also in homework that tomorrow I will remain optimistic in the things which I was not able to remain optimistic today. And so like this, so make a plan for yourself for the next 7 days and just see the difference it makes in your lifestyle, and see the difference it makes in your giving output to others. So this optimism is really a very good attribute that one can carry for his whole life together. Okay, so I thank you so much, and I wish you all the best in your journey of leadership and your journey of life. Signing off, Amit More, cheers, God bless.